we're solving, Rihanna.
About pictures, numbers, and words.
Not exactly. We are solving, Henry.
About problem with pictures, numbers, and words.
We're solving problems, and we're going to use, what's going to help us? Alexis, what's going to help us to solve the problems? What's going to help us solve the problems?
Words.
Go ahead, Alexis. What's going to help us? Do you remember? Pictures. What else is going to help us, Cynthia?
What
What else is going to help us? So pictures. What else? Words. What else, Isabella?
Numbers.
And numbers. Okay. So we're going to pretend like you have a problem, okay? Your problem is that you don't have a pencil. Okay. So let's go through and think about this. Okay. Do you know that you have a problem?
No.
What's the problem again?
We don't have a pencil.
Wait, what was it, everybody?
We don't have a pencil.
Oh my goodness. So can we agree we have a problem? Yes or no? We have a problem.
Yes.
Yes, we have a problem. Okay. Now, we need to make a plan to solve our problem. So right now, think in your head. What is your plan to solve this problem? You don't have a pencil. What is going to be your plan? Think. Excuse me, Juan. We're thinking right now. What's going to be your plan? Okay. Turn and tell one person your plan. Ready, set, go. Okay. So far we have the plan to. What did he say? Ask somebody else for one if they have one. Okay, Eileen, what is your plan? How are you going to solve this problem? Oh, and it's Eileen's turn.
I don't know.
What was your plan though? Or what was somebody else's plan at your table? They could
Check us under the desk.
check if it's under the desk. Okay. Juan, what's your plan? How are you going to solve your problem?
Go to the store and buy more pencils.
Okay. We could go to the store. Now, next we have to try it. Okay, we're going to try our plan. So let's say we try Juan's plan, right? Are we going to be able to drive to the store right now?
Yeah.
No, so I think Juan is going to have to try and check and maybe re-plan his, okay? Maybe we could try Eileen's, right? Look under the desk. Okay, everybody look under your desk. Can you find a pencil?
Yes.
Okay. So you know you figured it out when you have a pencil. Okay, so we're going to use those same strategies to figure out our math problems. First time through, I'm going to read the problem to you. You're going to follow along with your eyes, okay, and listen. You're going to be thinking about what is happening in the story. What is happening in the problem that I'm going to read, okay? One rainy Saturday, Captain Crunch was counting cereal because he was so bored. He counted some boxes of tricks. If each box of tricks contained some red puffs, how many total red puffs did he count? Okay, I want you to think about what is happening in our problem. What is happening in our problem? I know. Okay, Rihanna, tell me one thing that happened in our problem, in our story. Huh. So there's someone in our story. Who's in our story? Captain Crunch. This is Captain Crunch over here. If you're not familiar with him, there's Captain Crunch. You can picture him in your head. Okay? And Captain Crunch is doing something. Rihanna told us he's doing something. Cereal, what is Captain Crunch doing? He's counting. Interesting. Oh, and what is he counting? Cereal. Okay, cereal.
How many red puffs that he counted in all, but we don't know how many boxes he counted and how many red puffs did he find.
So Owen brings up a good point. There are some things we know right now. We know that there's Captain Crunch. We know that he's counting cereal and the red puffs inside the boxes. But Owen mentioned we also don't know how many of those things there are. So let's go ahead and move those. You ready?
Maybe I have to use the mouse.
Yeah, I think you're right. I think I need to use the mouse. Okay, ready? This time you're gonna read it with me, okay? Starting with one rainy. Ready, read.
One rainy Saturday, Happy Country was having cereal because he was so bored.
Take a breath. Ready, go.
He carried 8 boxes of tricks, and each box of tricks contained 5 red puffs. How many total red puffs did he count?
Okay, in your brain, think about what do we know now that we looked at the problem again? What do we know now that we didn't know a little bit ago? What do we know now that we didn't know a little bit ago? Eileen.
Each color has and each color has 5.
Okay, I'm gonna pause you right there. Juan, did you hear what Eileen said? Okay, can you repeat it again so we can hear it 2 times? So Eileen said, each box.
Each box had 5 red.
Okay, so we know that. So we're gonna put it with K because we know that. So each.
Box has.
Can you explain your picture to me?
So I put those 2 down first so I can do it better, so I know how many to put, and then I did the number 9, and then I got 13.
Okay, so let's go back to our picture and think about what's happening in the story. What was Captain Crunch doing?
Counting
Counting what?
boxes of tricks.
Boxes of tricks, okay. And how many of those boxes were there?
8.
So can you show me in your picture, where are 8 boxes of tricks?
Away.
Oh, do you want to add those then?
Yes.
Okay, don't worry about erasing all that. You can just do it down here. Yep. Can you show me that then? Thank you. Mario. Okay, can you explain your picture to me?
There's 8 boxes with 5 puffs in them.
There are 8 boxes with 5 puffs in each one. Okay, and then with your numbers, how did you try and figure it out?
25 times 5 is 25.
Mhm.
I added 5 more.
So how many groups were there over here?
8.
8 of them. Okay, so in our numbers, we would need to show that there are 8 groups. So how about we write 8 right here? 8 groups. Yeah, just down below. Yep, 8 groups. Now, remember our groups of sign? What does that look like? Our groups of is the same as the times, right? So go ahead and draw that. So you have, go ahead and draw that. There you go. Times. So you have 8 groups of something. How many are in those groups? Okay. So then how many was that in all? So since you have your picture and your numbers and your words, for connection, what I want you to do is try and write your own story problem that it has boxes of cereal and something inside of it. So you get to make up how many boxes of cereal there are and what is inside of it. Okay? And I'll come back and check on that. I am going to be calling up some students to show us and explain what they did in their picture to solve their problem, okay? So first I would like Rihanna. Rihanna, can you bring your paper over? Come on over. And then you're gonna put it under the camera here. You can just set it right on top of Mrs. Cole's paper. And we're gonna look at your picture. And I want you guys to look at her picture and see, can you find 8 boxes of cereal?
Yeah, right there.
Can you see in her picture 8 boxes of cereal? Give me a thumbs up or give Rihanna a thumbs up if you see 8 boxes of cereal in her picture. A couple of you guys see it, a few, okay? Okay, can you see 5 red puffs inside her boxes? Bless you. 5 red puffs inside her boxes. Yeah, Jose, can you see her 5 red puffs inside each box? Okay, so how could Rihanna figure out all of those puffs? How could Rihanna figure out all of those puffs? Yeah, Henry? Okay, she could count by 5s. Rihanna, do you have any other ideas? What did you try doing to figure out all your puffs? You counted them all together? Okay, can you do that? Stick your finger. Can you count your puffs? Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, I'm gonna pause you real fast. So we could count all of those, and Rihanna was doing that. Rihanna, would that be 8 plus 5? Is that how we figured out all those puffs? Not exactly, right? But I love your groups, your boxes, and your puffs inside. I love that. We're just gonna figure out how to show it in our numbers, okay? Okay, Rihanna, go ahead and take your paper. Everyone give Rihanna 2 claps. Ready, go. 1, 2. Thank you so much. Okay, next I'd like Mario. Take your paper up, show us your picture. Okay, we're gonna look on Mario's. Can we find 8 boxes of cereal? Can we find 8 boxes of cereal? Okay, does anyone see 8 boxes of cereal? All of those.
I counted them by 5.
Oh, so he did what, you guys? He,
Counted by 5.
Isabella told us, what about everybody? He
Counted by 5.
counted by 5s, and in his numbers, he showed he counted how many of the 5s? 8 groups of 5. I know, we're still working on that part, okay? Okay, Mario, come on down. Everyone give him 2 claps. Ready, go. 1, 2. Okay. For you to understand it more? Okay. So, so did you just draw a bunch of circles, like a random amount?
No, so there's 8. So there's 8 rows and then I put 5.
Oh, so she drew 8 rows. Let's make sure, let's see here. Let's make sure we all see this. She drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rows of puffs. And in each row you said you put 5 puffs. So 5 are there, and 5 are here, and 5 are there, and all 8 of those rows have 5, right? Okay, we're gonna give Isabella 2 claps. Ready, go. 1, 2. Last is Maritza. Come on up, show us your picture.
I thought it was going to be all of them.
Not every single student, we're just getting a little mixture of different ideas you guys had.
No, because mine was the same one as.
Okay, so can you guys see Maritza's 8 boxes of cereal?
Yes.
So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes. Maritza, what did you do inside those boxes? You did something a little different. Okay, she counted by 5s. Can you guys see that inside? Okay, can you count with her? Ready, go. 5, 10, 15,
20,